In the colorful, candy-filled town of Cakeville, Magdalene's kitchen was always buzzing with delicious smells. Magdalene loved baking and decorating all sorts of treats, and her little brother Daniel was the happiest taste tester in town, especially when there were sprinkles involved. One sunny morning, Magdalene's imagination bubbled over. She clapped her hands with excitement. "I have an idea," she announced, her eyes twinkling bright as jelly beans. "Let's make cake pops, big, small, round, square, every color you can dream, and covered in sprinkles and stars." Daniel bounced up and down. "Yay! Can I help?" "Oh, please." Magdalene tied her apron, handing Daniel his tiny one. "Of course. You can be Captain Mixer, and I'll be the great cake roller." With hands scrubbed clean, they lined up everything they needed: a big bag of flour, a tower of sugar cubes, smooth chocolate, pat-pats of butter, sparkling rainbow sprinkles, a jar of shiny candy stars, and a box of colorful sticks. Magdalene showed Daniel how to roll the soft, sweet cake into little balls. Daniel rolled a ball so big, it rolled off the table, bouncing onto the floor. "Oh no! It's running away," he shouted, chasing it as Magdalene giggled. Once they'd rescued the runaway cake ball, the kitchen was soon filled with a parade of tiny, funny-shaped cake balls, waiting for their magical chocolate coats. Magdalene carefully melted a bowl of white chocolate. Daniel dipped each cake ball gently, until he got a bit too excited and tipped the bowl. Chocolate dripped everywhere, puddling on the counter and even onto the floor. Magdalene gasped. "Daniel! What a mess!" Daniel stopped, then gave her a chocolatey grin. "It's all right. Messes make adventures more fun. We can clean up together." They wiped up the chocolate rivers, laughing at the silly splashes and sharing secret giggles. Then, with even more care, they dipped each cake ball again, sprinkling rainbows and adding candy stars and chocolate chips. Soon, a colorful mountain of cake pops grew in the middle of their table. Daniel took a big bite of one, then another, and just as he reached for a third, Magdalene raised an eyebrow. "What do we say about treats, Daniel?" Daniel paused, mouth full of cake pop. Sharing is sweet." Magdalene nodded. "Exactly. These cake pops aren't just for us, they're for everyone." With their tower of treats, Magdalene and Daniel danced out onto the Rainbow Road. They handed cake pops to neighbors, to friends, even to Mrs. Stringer the librarian, who'd never tasted a cake pop before. Their friend Ava took a bite, her eyes as wide as saucers. "Wow! These are amazing!" Mr. Berry, their elderly neighbor, got chocolate on his nose and chuckled, "Simply marvelous." Even the Cakeville puppies got tiny, special cake pops, wagging their fluffy tails so hard the sticks wobbled. As they walked home, the sky turning pink and gold, Magdalene and Daniel looked at all the happy, smiling faces around them. Magdalene winked, putting her arm around Daniel. "See? Sharing really is sweet." Daniel grinned, crumbs still on his cheeks. "The more we share, the happier Cakeville becomes." That night, as the stars came out above the little kitchen, Magdalene and Daniel washed the last of the chocolate bowls and dreamed up their next baking adventure, one they'd be sure to share with everyone they loved. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Bye!